Today we are going to make vegan raspberry mousse made of aquafaba. Aquafaba is the liquid you obtain when you cook legumes. It is also the liquid canned legumes are stored in. You can use the liquid of most legumes, but most commonly used is bean or chickpea water. Aquafaba has great foaming properties and therefore can be used to replace egg white in vegan mousse or meringue. It is important to create the least amount of food waste possible. Therefore, we advise you to combine this recipe with another recipe using chickpeas. For example, you can combine the raspberry mousse with our chickpea waffles. For the raspberry mousse, we need 50 g of chickpea liquid, 150 g of raspberries, 90 ml of soy drink, 10 g of beetroot juice, 2 g of agar-agar, 50 g of sugar and a pinch of salt. The materials needed are a blender, a pot, a deep mixing bowl, a spatula, spoons, a bowl, a thermometer and a hand mixer. To prepare the aquafaba foam, mix the chickpea liquid with 25 g of sugar and a pinch of salt, using the mixer until a foam has formed. For the raspberry puree, mix the raspberries in a blender. Raspberries are locally grown berries. If you buy them during the harvest season between June and September, you can buy them fresh from a farmer's market. In the third step, mix the remaining ingredients: soy drink, beetroot juice, the other 25 g of sugar, agar-agar and a pinch of salt. Heat the mixture up to 90 degrees Celsius, then hold this temperature for 2 minutes. Soybeans are the most widely grown legumes and are used for a lot of vegan products like soy drink, tofu and meat alternatives. Most soybeans are grown in Brazil, where they are genetically modified and mostly used as animal feed. To keep your climate footprint small, we recommend you to use locally grown and organic products. Also, we recommend buying the beetroot juice regionally as well, since it is a locally grown vegetable and it is also very easily and long-term storable. After 2 minutes and 90 degrees Celsius, gently add the raspberry puree to the hot soy drink mixture, stir it in and let it cool down. When it reaches around 55 degrees Celsius, carefully stir in the aquafaba foam. Transfer the mixture into a bowl and give it a light tap to eliminate air bubbles. Finally, allow your raspberry mousse to cool for a minimum of 1 hour in the fridge to let it set. Check out our other recipes. The raspberry mousse fits perfectly with our chickpea waffles. Enjoy!